Still driving a car without Bluetooth? You're missing safer calls, wireless music, and faster charging every time you hit the road. Today, I'm counting down 8 of the best Bluetooth FM transmitters that can instantly modernize almost any vehicle without replacing your factory stereo. Before we dive in, don't miss today's best prices and exclusive deals. Check the links in the description below. And if you want honest reviews and the best car gear, subscribe to Auto Review Lab and hit the notification bell. If you're looking for a premium, all-around Bluetooth FM transmitter, the Nulaxy KM30 is an excellent place to start. It combines modern features with an intuitive design that makes daily driving much more enjoyable. The large cover display is bright and easy to read, showing your FM frequency, battery voltage, song information, and incoming calls without distracting you from the road. Bluetooth 5.3 provides a fast and stable wireless connection, helping reduce annoying audio dropouts during long trips. Dual microphones with advanced noise cancellation make hands-free calls noticeably clearer, even on busy highways. It also supports Siri and Google Assistant, allowing you to keep your hands on the wheel while controlling music or navigation. Charging is another highlight, thanks to its fast USB-C PD and QC 3.0 ports, so both your phone and passengers' devices stay powered throughout the drive. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply upgrading an older vehicle, the KM30 offers outstanding sound quality, convenience, and reliability that easily justify its popularity. Need something affordable without sacrificing features? The LIHAN Bluetooth FM transmitter delivers impressive value for everyday drivers. Despite its budget-friendly price, it includes Bluetooth 5.3 for reliable wireless streaming, stable phone connections, and quick pairing with both Android and iPhone devices. One of its standout features is the colorful LED ambient lighting, which gives your vehicle a modern appearance while making the controls easier to locate during nighttime driving. Hands-free calling keeps conversations safer, while voice navigation plays clearly through your car speakers, helping you stay focused on the road. Fast charging is another major advantage. With both USB-C power delivery and Quick Charge 3.0 support, you can rapidly charge compatible smartphones while streaming music at the same time. It also supports USB flash drives and TF cards, giving you multiple playback options. For drivers wanting dependable performance, stylish lighting, and excellent everyday convenience without spending a fortune, the LIHAN transmitter is an easy recommendation. Now here's something different. The upgraded LIHAN Voice Assistant FM transmitter focuses on making driving smarter and more convenient. In addition to wireless music streaming, it offers built-in support for Siri and Google Assistant, allowing you to control calls, directions, and playlists using simple voice commands. Bluetooth 5.3 keeps the connection stable while reducing latency for smoother audio playback. The transmitter also includes advanced noise reduction technology, making conversations clearer when you're taking important calls on the road. The large multifunction button simplifies operation, so changing tracks or answering calls requires minimal effort. Fast charging support through USB-C PD and QC 3.0 means your devices stay powered even during longer road trips. Music can also be played from USB drives for drivers who prefer offline playlists. If you value voice control, easy operation, and dependable audio performance, this model offers an excellent combination of technology and everyday practicality for almost any older vehicle. If charging speed is just as important as audio quality, the LENCENT Bluetooth adapter deserves your attention. This transmitter combines high-quality Bluetooth audio with an impressive charging setup, making it a great companion for drivers who rely heavily on smartphones during travel. It features a powerful USB-C power delivery port alongside quick charge technology, allowing multiple devices to recharge efficiently without slowing each other down. Bluetooth provides reliable wireless streaming for music, podcasts, and navigation, while maintaining a stable connection throughout your trip. The built-in microphone enables safer hands-free calling, and echo reduction technology helps improve voice clarity during conversations. The compact design fits neatly into most cigarette lighter sockets without getting in the way of your dashboard controls. It also supports USB flash drive playback for added flexibility. Whether you're driving to work every day or heading out on a weekend adventure, the LENCENT transmitter offers an excellent balance of convenience, charging performance, and dependable wireless connectivity. If you want a feature-packed FM transmitter at a great price, the IMDEN Bluetooth 5.3 is a fantastic choice. It delivers strong wireless performance with quick pairing and a stable connection, making it easy to stream your favorite playlists, podcasts, or navigation audio without interruptions. One feature that really stands out is its dual fast charging ports. With USB-C PD and quick charge support, you can rapidly charge compatible devices while still using Bluetooth audio. That's especially useful for long road trips where battery life matters. Hands-free calling is smooth and clear thanks to the built-in microphone and noise reduction technology, helping you stay focused on driving instead of holding your phone. The transmitter also supports USB flash drives, giving you another way to enjoy your music library. Whether you're commuting every day or taking weekend road trips, the IMDEN offers dependable sound quality, fast charging, and user-friendly controls in one compact package. For drivers looking to modernize an older vehicle without spending much, this transmitter delivers excellent overall value. If simplicity and reliability are your priorities, the Scosche BTFM9 is worth considering. Built by a well-known automotive accessories brand, this transmitter focuses on delivering dependable Bluetooth connectivity with an easy plug-and-play setup that works in most vehicles. Bluetooth streaming is stable and provides clear audio for music, podcasts, navigation prompts, and phone calls. The built-in microphone allows for hands-free conversations, helping reduce distractions while keeping your attention on the road. It also supports voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, making it easy to control music, send messages, or get directions without reaching for your phone. Fast USB charging keeps your devices powered during daily commutes and longer trips. Its compact design blends neatly into your dashboard without taking up unnecessary space, making it ideal for drivers who prefer a clean interior. If you want dependable, everyday performance from a trusted automotive brand, the Scosche BTFM9 offers a balanced mix of convenience, safety, and solid wireless functionality. Looking for premium performance without paying premium prices? The UNBREAKcable Bluetooth 5.3 transmitter delivers impressive features designed for modern drivers. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures faster pairing, lower latency, and a stronger wireless connection, making music streaming smoother even on longer drives. One of its biggest strengths is charging performance. Equipped with USB-C power delivery and quick charge technology, it can quickly recharge multiple devices while simultaneously streaming audio. That's perfect for families or anyone relying on navigation throughout the day. The integrated microphone uses noise suppression technology to improve call quality, allowing conversations to sound clearer even in noisy traffic. Large buttons and an intuitive layout make playback simple without taking your eyes off the road. It also supports USB drive playback for drivers who like carrying their own music collection. Combining durability, modern technology, reliable connectivity, and fast charging, the UNBREAKcable transmitter is an excellent upgrade that makes older car stereos feel surprisingly modern. Last but definitely not least is the GOgroove FlexSMART X5, a unique Bluetooth FM transmitter that's been trusted by drivers for years. Unlike many compact adapters, it features an adjustable, flexible neck that lets you position the display and controls exactly where they're easiest to reach. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stream music wirelessly and make hands-free calls through your vehicle speakers. The large control buttons are comfortable to use while driving, and the adjustable design improves accessibility in vehicles where power outlets are located in awkward positions. Voice prompts and navigation instructions come through clearly, helping you stay focused without constantly looking at your phone. Its dependable build quality has made it a favorite among drivers who value comfort and ease of use over flashy extras. If your vehicle has an inconveniently placed power socket, the FlexSMART X5 offers a practical solution while still delivering solid audio quality, reliable Bluetooth performance, and safer hands-free communication on every trip. That wraps up my 8 favorite Bluetooth FM transmitters. If one caught your eye, check the links in the description for today's pricing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest car accessory reviews. Thanks for watching and drive safely.